Today, we are going to learn how ivory soap is different than any other kind of soap that you can find in the grocery store. When you take ivory soap and you put it in water, you're going to see that ivory soap floats. And when you put another kind of soap in water, it floats to the bottom. And the reason for that is because it was an accident. When they were making ivory soap, somebody left this mixer on, and it mixed the soap way more than it was supposed to. When they came back, it had gotten really big, and then it floated. But they learned that people liked soap that floats, so they kept making it. So when you cut ivory soap, you don't really see how it has bubbles in it. But if you break it, you can see how it's really rough, and it's rough because of all the bubbles that are inside it. So in addition to floating the soap, and we'll have some other kinds of soap that you can float as well. I will help you with this part. We're going to cut off a little bit of soap like this, and then we're going to put it in the microwave. And the reason we're going to do this is, just like a marshmallow has trapped air inside it, ivory soap has trapped air bubbles inside it. So when you put this on, and do it for just about 30 seconds. And now if you'll come down and kind of look, just use the camera to look in there. But you guys are going to see the soap actually looking like it's growing. Now, this is a little bit like popcorn. You don't want to do it more. So actually, it looks like about 15 seconds. Go ahead and scoot back.
Get me out of this place.
This soap is still good to use, but you don't want to touch it right now because it's hot. So you're going to obviously want to let it cool. But that shows you how trapped air that's inside soap is going to expand when it's heated, and that's the same thing that happens when you do a marshmallow. Whoa. Be careful that you don't do marshmallows too long because they can also blow up and explode. Okay, go ahead and turn it off.